In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your TurboTax account. If you found yourself locked out or simply can't remember your login details, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the recovery process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. You can easily find this by typing TurboTax into your search engine or by directly visiting turbotax.intuit.com. This is the gateway to accessing your account and starting the recovery process. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, look for the Sign Up link. Although this might seem a bit counterintuitive since you're trying to recover an account rather than create a new one, this link is your entry point to the sign-in and recovery options. After clicking Sign Up, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see an option that says, "I forgot my user ID or password." This is exactly what we need to kickstart the recovery process. Go ahead and click on that link. Now you'll be prompted to enter some information to verify your identity. Typically, this will be the email address associated with your TurboTax account. Make sure to enter the correct email address to ensure a smooth recovery process. If you're unsure which email you used, try to recall any confirmation emails or correspondence from TurboTax. Once you've input your email, TurboTax will send you a recovery email with instructions. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from TurboTax. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes these emails can get filtered there by mistake. Inside the email, you'll find a link to reset your password or recover your user ID. Click on that link and you'll be redirected to a secure page where you can set a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you'll remember using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After successfully resetting your password, try logging in again with your new credentials. You should now have access to your TurboTax account. If you continue to face issues, consider reaching out to TurboTax customer support for further assistance. They can provide additional help to ensure you regain access to your account. And there you have it. Your TurboTax account recovery is complete. Remember, keeping your login information secure and accessible is key to avoiding these issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.